and let's create those natural bushy brows. How to do the pinagahi, pinatuskig brows. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Janet. And you guys, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave this video. And yeah, a lot of people asked me about this, so I'm gonna give it to you guys. As you can see in my thumbnail, we're gonna do our brows. Yes! Because you know, kilay is life. And my very first video, guys, this one right here, yes, that one was my first video here in YouTube when I do my brows. I was like, yes, you guys. And today, you guys, we're gonna do my updated brows because it looks like thick brows is in, but we're gonna make it look like very natural. And if you followed me on my social media, yeah. And if you followed me on my social media with this look right here, you guys, you see my brows, it's different and I'm liking it. There's a ton of videos out there and it's a long overdue, you know, but I'm just gonna share it to you because you guys asked about it and why not give it to you, like I'm saying. And at the end of this video, you guys, I'm gonna share it to you as well what I use for my eyebrows to maintain the hairy brows. Yeah, to maintain the thickness. I really want to achieve those natural bushy brows. And yes, so of course I went to Amazon and I was looking for a brow soap and I found this one. It's a brow styling soap. I can't really read this one. So if you guys are interested for this, I am going to put the Amazon link on my description box down below. So if you are interested, the next that we're going to use, you guys, I am using this Sephora transparent clear brow gel. This one, and if you have Anastasia, this is just a clear brow gel, just to, you know, just to brush this up, just to brush this up later. And I am using my browies, and then I'm gonna use my Anastasia, and this is the dark brown. So I'm gonna use this just to get on the sparse. To be able to apply this one, we're gonna need this one. What is this? We're gonna need the spoolie. So I'm not gonna use this one because I find that this one here works really good. And let's create those natural bushy brows. Let's do this. So for this brow styling soap, you guys, I don't really like, I'm not in love with it. I don't hate either. Like, you know that feeling? Yeah. For this, you can use water, but since I don't have the spray thingy, I'm just gonna use this is my activated mist from Youth to the People. So the way you use this is you spray this one, spray that. So taking my spoolie, my extra spoolie, I'm going to take this up here. And taking the wet one, I close it right away because, you know, I don't want it to be like very like dry. I'm going to drag these brows up there. See? I find this kind of spoolie really helps to get those small baby hairs. Small baby hairs. to lay everything. The small baby hairs, it really like helps. I mean, this spoolie is fine, but I really find this kind of spoolie, this one, works really well with this. And you guys, you know, it might work on you, it might not, because really we don't have the same brows. As you guys can see, I always like keep back and forth because I want this baby to be laid AF, okay? Like this. So compared to other side, you guys, this is, I like it. To be honest with you, I'm just so sick of using pomade. You know what I'm saying? Because it takes a lot of work. You know, I don't know, just for me, I mean, I felt like pomade now is too much for me. I like that already, so I'm gonna do now, I'm taking my clear brow gel, and you guys, this is optional. Did I do that two words? Oh. This is optional, okay? So I'm gonna do, taking this slowly up there. And you guys can look closely. And I've used clear brow gel if I'm lazy, if I'm running errands. I don't really do much with my brows. I'm gonna brush this up. Now let's lay that baby. You know, oh, hello, model brow. Charot. Everything that I do here is optional, okay? I just want to share it to you how I do those. My friend told me, pinagahi, pinatuskig. How to do the pinagahi, pinatuskig brows. So now what I'm going to do is taking my Anastasia brow wiz, and this is in dark brown. You can use this, as I've said, to fill up the spars, or just to, you know, to, what do you call that? Just watch here. That. And what I do is just like, you know, very light motion. Yeah. And just, you know, just follow my hair brows. It is up to if you want to feel it more. You know, this video is basically, it's all up to you. Taking back my spoolie, I'm going to lay them in rest. Charot. Pinatay ang brows. Hi, Janet! And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Lakas makas Mr. Suave ang aking brows, ah. I'm good with that. And now, of course, as I've said, I always clean this area here with my concealers. I'm using my NARS. What I told you guys earlier is I'm using this in this side only. But before, if you watch my video, I clean them up here as well. To clean my brows, I mean, this is nothing new really. I'm just gonna take this concealer brush and just clean this, because I want those snatchy brows, you know. So I'm gonna take this here. I'm gonna use this as my base as well. I mean, you know, concealer is just a big part of makeup world. That's why I like concealer. Let me just blend this because, girl, So yeah, before you guys, I go up here as well and clean it. Now I don't do that because I prefer this kind of look. Before I do like unibrow and then up here, like I'm saying, if you guys watch my video. But you know, since this is updated bushy natural brow, you're saying, so I like this way better. So taking back my brow wiz, I'm gonna go ahead and accentuate that a little bit more. I'm gonna create a look today, but I just wanna show this to you. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so this is my natural brows, and this is my updated new natural bushy brows that I am loving it. It looks like a lot of work, but of course everything that I use, you guys, is optional. If you want to use just brow wiz, you can do that. If you want to use if you want to use clear brow gel, you can do that. If you want to use brow soap, you can do that. So let me just go ahead, you guys, and do my entire face, and I'll be back. Everybody, so I am back, and yes, oh, diba parang pinachik lang. It looks really good with my makeup on. So yeah, and you guys, you see this was acne earlier. I put a little bit of eyeliner, and if you guys notice it, I still have those scars. It's not even, it's not perfect, because really I don't want this brows to be perfect. I want them to look natural. And I mean, if it's natural, that doesn't look perfect, like I'm saying. I mean, unless you have a perfect brows, perfect natural brows. I'm saying, but I don't have it, and I like the imperfections of this brows, you guys. And before I forgot, what I use for my brows to stay like thick is I am using my Lavish Lash eyebrow serum. You guys, I've been using this for years now, and if you follow me for a while, you know what I mean. So yeah, I use this for my brows as well. I'm going to put the Amazon link for that soap and then for that serum in my description box down below if you are interested. And you guys, just so you know, it's all about, as I've said like 1,000,000 times, that it's all about preference. A lot of people doesn't like those bushy brows. You know, they like more on flick, they like more, you know, this kind of stuff, like, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, you guys, I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and turn on your notifications on for more videos from you guys, because I will try harder to put more contents out there. Thank you guys. I love you guys all so much, and stay there, and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye bye.
I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance, dance, dance.